Hello everyone, and thanks for clicking on this video. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best blenders under $200 available on Amazon. Whether you want to make smoothies, protein shakes, soups, or frozen drinks, these blenders offer amazing performance without spending too much money. We compared power, features, design, and value to help you find the best option for your kitchen. Let's get started with number 5. At number 5, the Oster Extreme Mix Blender. This blender comes with a large 64-ounce glass jar, 3 smart preset blending functions, and a powerful 1600-watt motor for smooth and fast blending. It also features durable titanium-coated blades and includes a convenient 24-ounce blend-and-go cup, making it perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, and everyday kitchen use. At number 4, we have the NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo. 1400-watt powerful motor, large 64 ounces pitcher. Includes 32 ounces and 24 ounces cups. 5-speed smart controls. Blends ice and frozen fruit easily. Perfect for smoothies, nut milk, and soup.
At number 3, we have the Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender Duo. This high-speed 1600-watt blender is perfect for smoothies, nutrient extraction, frozen drinks, spreads, and more. It features 5 smart blending functions and powerful Smarter Key technology that helps blend heavy ingredients smoothly without stopping. The blender also comes with a 34-ounce pitcher and 2 convenient to-go cups, making it great for quick drinks and everyday use. At number 2, we have the Subri Chefy Countertop Blender Pro. Featuring a powerful 2000-watt brushless motor, 25-speed control settings, durable titanium-coated blades, and a large 68-ounce pitcher, the Subri Chefy blender is built for powerful everyday blending and smooth performance. At number 1, we have the NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo.
Meet the versatile NutriBullet full-size blender combo for all your nutrient extraction needs. With 1,200 powerful watts, this combo offers a 64 ounces pitcher for multi-serving blending and convenient single-serve cups. 3 precision speeds let you perfectly blend smoothies, soups, nut butters, and more at the push of a button. The cyclonic action stainless steel blade effortlessly pulverizes ingredients. The BPA-free plastic cups and pitcher are durable and dishwasher safe. Unlock endless culinary possibilities with the NutriBullet blender's versatility and power.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.